In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Patreon direct messages. If you've been looking for a way to fully remove direct messages on Patreon, it's important to know upfront that Patreon does not currently offer a standard delete option for regular direct message threads in the way some other platforms do. So in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the available options, what they actually do, and what to expect so you can choose the best approach for your situation. The first option is to archive conversations. If your goal is simply to clean up your inbox and get older or unwanted message threads out of your active view, archiving is the most practical solution. When you archive a chat or direct message thread, it won't necessarily be deleted from Patreon's system, but it will be removed from your main inbox so things feel much less cluttered. This is helpful if you want a tidier messaging area without losing access entirely. Just keep in mind that archiving is more about organization than permanent removal. The next thing to understand is the difference between direct messages and community chats. If you're using Patreon's community chat spaces instead of the traditional one-to-one or inbox-style direct messages, you may have a bit more control depending on the type of chat and your permissions. In some cases, individual community chat rooms can be managed, adjusted, or even deleted through the chat settings. However, this does not apply to the standard direct message inbox in the same way. So if you're trying to remove a normal Patreon DM thread, you'll likely find that it remains permanent even if community chat tools offer more flexibility elsewhere on the platform. If you need something more permanent, the final option is account and data erasure. This is really the only route if removing message data from Patreon servers is urgent and essential for you. To do that, you would need to submit a request through Patreon's Privacy Center for complete account and data erasure. This is a much bigger step than simply clearing a conversation because it affects your entire account data, not just a single message thread. So before moving forward, make sure that's truly what you want, since this is intended for full data removal rather than routine inbox cleanup. So to summarize, if you want to hide messages from your main view, archive the conversation. If you're working inside community chat spaces, check the chat settings for management options. And if you need full removal from Patreon's stored data, your last resort is requesting complete account erasure through the Privacy Center. That's the current reality of deleting Patreon direct messages, and now you know the options available to you.